Hello magical humans, Abracadabra Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a DIY on a luxurious magical sugar scrub. It's extremely easy to make, it smells super yummy, and it will leave your skin moisturized. So let's start off on the ingredients. We're first starting with some granulated sugar, mineral oil, some essential oil of your choice. I'm using sweet orange, some dried roses, a bowl, a measuring cup, and some sort of mason jar that you can close shut. There is also another ingredient which adds the magical aspect, which is some Inanna Rose Oudh Oil, which I'll add last. So I'm starting off with 2 cups of granulated sugar, and the sugar you can get that from Walmart. As you can see, I got the Great Value brand from Walmart. The sugar acts as an exfoliant for your skin. It's not too rough, so it's like the perfect texture for a scrub for your body. Next, I'm adding in the mineral oil. You're going to want to use a ½ cup of mineral oil. I could not find my ½ cup, so I'm using the 1/8 cups and adding it in gradually. So you'll see me do that 4 times, but ultimately it is a ½ cup of mineral oil. Mineral oil is a great moisturizer. It seals in moisture into the skin, and it smooths and softens the skin as well. Now, of course, you don't have to use mineral oil. You can also use coconut oil, or you can use grapeseed oil, any type of oil that you prefer. Go ahead and add it in. Anything but vegetable oil. That is not for your skin. Please don't do that. But you knew that already, right? So once you add all of your oil in, you want to continue to stir, and you want the consistency of like wet sand. So once your oil and sugar are well incorporated, it'll look something like this, slushy and fluffy and like wet sand. Next, I'm adding in the essential oil. I'm using sweet orange, but you can use the fragrance of your choice. I'm adding in about 20 drops of the sweet orange, maybe a little more. Just put your some in there, but be careful with like a peppermint oil or a tea tree oil, because that can be irritating to the skin, so not too much of that. I just love the smell of sweet orange. It's so refreshing and citrusy and clean. So you can't go wrong with that scent. It smells so good already, guys. So yummy. Next, we're adding in one of my absolute favorites, roses. I'm using dried roses, which I actually made myself. I just grabbed a few in my hand and I'm rubbing it in my hand to release some of the oils. Roses are highly vibrational. They hold so many magical properties such as love, romance, passion, female intuition, health, abundance, so much. So whenever you get some roses, do not throw them out, dry them out, and keep them to use later on. And I'm just adding a few more because I want some petals to be larger. And guys, you won't believe the smell. It smells so good. So good you want to eat it, but don't do that. At this point is where you want to add your magical oil, but I forgot. But that's okay, we're going to add it in later. You get your mason jar and you just fill it up. I purchased this mason jar from Dollar Tree. So guys, this was just $1 and it seals and keeps everything airtight. Really, every ingredient that I'm using is very inexpensive. And those measurements we use fills up this mason jar perfectly. Look how beautiful those rose petals are in there, and it feels so nice. This sugar scrub serves as the perfect gift for anyone or just for your own personal use. This sugar scrub serves as a great element in your self-care routine. It keeps well as long as you keep it shut and not get water inside of it. It should last for a while. So the final and most important step, we're going to add our magical element, which is this Inanna Rose Oil. It's oud oil. I did purchase this oil a while back. I'll leave the company's information in the description box. This oud is beautiful and powerful, and it is infused with rose petals. I'm adding in about 9 drops. You don't need a whole lot because it is very potent and it lasts a while. This oud is named after the goddess Inanna, which is the goddess of love, sensuality, beauty, and war. It's extremely powerful and a great tool for manifestation of love and sensuality, beauty. It's just a great oil to add into your everyday routine. And this is the perfect time to charge your sugar scrub. Whatever you desire, put your intent into this sugar scrub. Here I'm just doing a demonstration on how to use the sugar scrub. If you've never used it before, you wet your body and you take some of the scrub in your hands, rub it together and rub it into your skin in a circular motion. You'll feel that sugar serving as an exfoliant, removing the dead skin cells. You'll feel that mineral oil moisturizing your skin. It just feels wonderful, guys. And the smell is beautiful. You then just rinse. And you're left with exfoliated, supple, soft, baby soft skin. Feels like a baby's butt. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.